All right, so let's take a look at the first one here. So we're going to distribute the minus to everything inside of that second parenthesis. That'll change everything to its opposite. So we get minus 6q squared minus 5q plus 3. And then we're going to go ahead and collect like terms. Now there's nothing to combine this with because that's q to the third. That's just going to stay as 13q to the third because we don't have any other q to the thirds, but we got this plus 2q squared minus 6q squared. 2 minus 6 is negative 4q squared. Now we've dealt with that. And then we don't have any other q's here, but we got a q here, so it's minus 5q. And then we got this minus 3 plus 3, which cancels. So that gives us our final answer, 13q to the third minus 4q squared minus 5q. Second one, we have to FOIL that out. So we're going to start with this n, distribute that out to everything in the second parenthesis there. So n times n squared is n to the third. N times 4 to the n is minus 4n squared. And then n times 4 is plus 4n. And then we've got to do the same with the negative 2, distribute that out. Negative 2 times n squared is minus 2n squared. Negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 4n. And negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. And then collect like terms. So there's no n to the third besides just the 1, so it's n to the third. Negative 4n squared minus 2n squared is minus 6n squared. Plus 4n is plus 8n. And then minus 8. And that'll be your final answer. Next one is just factoring. So that's, I'm going to rewrite it here. 16x squared minus 81 is the original problem. This is the difference of two perfect squares. So 16x squared is 4x times 4x. 81 is 9 times 9. So we set that up. One parenthesis with a plus, one parenthesis with a minus. 4x and 4x. And then 9 and 9. And that's factored completely. And then the last one here, we have to factor everything out and then cancel what cancels. So if we start with this 2x squared plus 7x plus 3, that's going to factor to 2x and x, and then plus 3 and plus 1. So we get 2x squared plus 6x plus x plus 7x plus 3. This is going to factor to difference of perfect squares. That's just x plus 3 and x minus 3. This one up here, let's factor this one out. I'm going to do that on the bottom here. So we want to find two numbers that multiply to 4 times 9 is 36 and adds to negative 15. That would be negative 12 and negative 3. So that gives us 4x squared minus 12x minus 3x plus 9. Group them. First two terms pull out a 4x, x minus 3. Second two terms pull out a negative 3, x minus 3. So it's x minus 3, 4x minus 3. So this one right here factors to x minus 3, 4x minus 3. Then this 4x squared minus 1, difference of perfect squares, 2x plus 1, and 2x minus 1. I'm going to write that a little bit neater than that, though. So we got 2x minus 1 and 2x plus 1. All right, so then if we have the same thing on the top and bottom, they're going to cancel. So we got a 2x plus 1 on the top, 2x plus 1 on the bottom, x plus 3, x plus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3. So we're left with this 4x minus 3 on the top and a 2x minus 1 on the bottom. So 4x minus 3 over 2x minus 1. And that'll give me the answer here for that question.